Hello, geometry students. Here's the part 3, the last part of congruent triangles, where we are looking at the corresponding parts of a congruent triangle that is made up of 3 sides and 3 angles, 6 parts altogether. And if we can prove by either side, 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 angle, side, angle, side, angle, 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 side, or hypotenuse leg, we can prove that all 6 parts are indeed congruent. All right, let's look at another example where we have this side congruent to this side, this angle congruent to this angle, and this angle congruent to this angle. Here we have one side that is included. It is included between 2 angles. So we have angle, side, angle. Please remember that vocabulary term. It is included. It's part of it. They're friends. Look, we have one friend on one side, another friend on another, and they are including the side. So these 2 triangles are congruent by ASA. All right, this one, as soon as you see a right angle, and there's a right angle in this triangle, and there's a right angle in this triangle, you're going to ask yourself, is this hypotenuse leg? So if I go directly across from the right angle to the opposite side to the hypotenuse, and there are 2 corresponding sides that are marked. So this one is congruent to this side. So yes, the hypotenuse sides are congruent. So I am on my way. So then I have to find out, are one of the other sides congruent as well? If they are not, then the HL does not apply. So I'm going to look, and this side and this side don't have any markings, but we're left with this third side right here, which is, you should be able to pick out right away, reflexive property. So this side applies to this triangle as well as to this triangle, yet they are the same line, but we can say that they're both congruent sides. So we have the 90 degrees, the hypotenuse, and the leg, which means that those 2 triangles are congruent by hypotenuse leg. In this next example, this side goes with this side goes with this side, and then we have this angle over here that goes with this angle. So we can say this is side, side, angle, side, side, angle. As we know, if we spell this word backwards, it's not a very nice word, and it's also not enough information. So we would need probably just one more thing. If we had maybe this angle and this angle, we would have side, angle, side. But we don't. We don't have enough information to prove that these 2 triangles are congruent. Let's do a few more to finish off this session. So here we have this angle that goes with this angle. We have this angle that goes with this angle. And then we have the reflexive property right here. This side goes with this triangle, and this same side goes with this other triangle, so that we can say that that side is congruent to the other side, but they're the same side by reflexive property. So let's look. Angle, angle, side, angle, angle, side. That is indeed one of our options. Angle, angle, side. All right, let's look at number 5. Angle goes with that angle. side goes with that side. And angle goes with this angle. Here we have another included side. Angle, side, angle. So these two triangles are congruent by ASA. Number 6, as soon as you see those two intersecting lines, you should right away be like, oh, that angle and this angle, they are congruent to each other because they are vertical. And this side goes with this side. I got so excited about the vertical. Remember what I said, as soon as you see 90 degrees, check to see if there is a hypotenuse first, and there is, and then check to see if is there another set of sides, the leg, but there is not. So hypotenuse leg does not apply. All right, we can't use hypotenuse leg. So let's see, we have side, angle, angle, or we have it listed AAS. So these two triangles are congruent by AAS. Even though there's 90 degrees, hypotenuse leg does not work with this because we would need one of the other sides, which we don't have. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.